Hello, in this video you will learn about disulfiram therapy. Disulfiram is a drug used in the treatment of alcohol dependence syndrome by supporting the patients in their effort to maintain abstinence from alcohol. The chemical name of disulfiram is tetraethyl thiuram disulfide. Disulfiram therapy is also known as antabuse therapy, aversion therapy, or alcohol deterrent therapy. Indications: patients with chronic alcohol use disorder who has abstained from alcohol for at least 12 hours, as an adjuvant to supportive and psychotherapeutic treatment in motivated patients. Contraindications: patients in a state of alcohol intoxication, severe cardiac disease, coronary occlusion with history of recent stroke, cerebral damage, liver damage, cirrhosis of liver and acute hepatitis, epilepsy, hypothyroidism, chronic and acute nephritis, patients with major depression, psychosis, hypersensitivity, pregnant women, patient unwilling for therapy. The dosage and administration: initial dosage schedule: oral tablets maximum of 500 mg daily is given in a single dose for 1 to 2 weeks. As a maintenance, the average maintenance dose is 250 mg daily, ranges from 125 to 500 mg, but it should not exceed 500 mg per day. Duration of disulfiram therapy: disulfiram tablet is given for at least 6 months and probably up to 2 years it can be continued. An uninterrupted daily administration of disulfiram must be continued until a permanent self-control is established. Pharmacokinetics, absorption and distribution: disulfiram is slowly absorbed through the digestive tract. The effects last for up to 2 weeks after initial intake. The peak plasma time is 4 hours. The peak plasma concentration is 2.4 microgram per ml. Metabolism: up to 90% is metabolized in the liver. Excretion: eliminated slowly by the body, excreted through urine, feces, and exhaled gases. The mechanism of action: 98% of ethyl alcohol is metabolized in the liver. Ethyl alcohol is metabolized into acetaldehyde by an enzyme, alcohol dehydrogenase. Acetaldehyde is further metabolized into acetate by an enzyme, aldehyde dehydrogenase. Acetate is converted into carbon dioxide and water with the release of energy. Now, disulfiram inhibits the enzyme aldehyde dehydrogenase. By inhibiting the enzyme aldehyde dehydrogenase, disulfiram inhibits further metabolism of acetaldehyde. Since metabolism of acetaldehyde is inhibited, acetaldehyde accumulates 5 to 10 times more than normal in the blood and also in tissues. This accumulation of acetaldehyde produces highly distressing symptoms. The side effects: in some patients, disulfiram in the absence of alcohol produces lethargy, drowsiness, decreased memory, headache, itching, decreased sleep, dizziness, sexual problems, peripheral neuropathy, tingling and numbness of hands and legs, worsening depression and psychosis in some patients. Disulfiram ethanol reaction, throbbing headache, nausea and vomiting, sweating, facial flushing, thirst, confusion, tachycardia, blurring of vision, drowsiness, bloodshot eyes, chest pain, low blood pressure and shock, respiratory distress, syncope, neck pain, marked uneasiness, and vertigo. In severe reactions, respiratory depression, cardiovascular collapse, arrhythmias, myocardial infarction, acute congestive heart failure, unconsciousness, convulsions, and death could occur. Nurse's responsibility: obtain informed consent, ensure 12 hours of abstinence from alcohol, advise not to consume any form of alcohol preparation like cough syrups, beer, sauces, after-shaving lotion, which could lead to their reaction. Check on laboratory and or medical tests. Monitor hemogram and liver function test once in every 3 months. Teach the patient on the danger and the prevention of drug interaction. He can keep a list of all the products he is using, prescription and non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with his doctor and pharmacist. And he should never start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without his doctor's approval. Administer tablet disulfiram daily if patient has to take the medications at home. In case if he misses a dose, he can take it as soon as he remembers. But if it is near the time the next dose, he can skip the missed dose. He can take the next dose at the regular time. So it prevents taking double dose. And he must be told to take drug at bedtime if he encounters dizziness. Explain clearly the symptoms and management of disulfiram ethanol reaction. Warn patient that disulfiram ethanol reaction may occur even 1 to 2 weeks after the last dose of disulfiram. Patient should wear or carry identification card describing the possible disulfiram ethanol reaction that may occur if he consumes alcohol. Name and phone number of the treating physician should be noted in there. You should avoid driving and performing heavy work. Reassure patient that the metallic taste is transient. Look for signs of peripheral neuropathy. Thank you.